Well, hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Qual Vasily, and today we're not doing a mod for the Silverado, but we are talking about the Silverado. Previous video, I filmed me installing the dual custom flags. Now Anley was so nice to make those for me, and I have to say they've held up pretty well. So this video is going to be a 2-week review, and I've had them on all the time in about 60-mile-an-hour winds. So let's see the damage. Alrighty, so coming over to the driver's side, just some minor paint scratches. That's just from it coming down the road like that. But overall, the flag is still in good shape. The only minor tear we've got is up here. I'm not worried about that. Honestly, that's quite small compared to some others I've seen. But for 2 weeks, for an hour a day, going down the road, flapping in the wind at 60 miles an hour, not bad. And the posts are still solid. They're not moving anywhere. Quick release, still good, just some minor paint fade there. Now there's a story that goes along with this passenger side. The passenger side is quite a bit more tore up than the driver's side. Partly because when I first built these, I did not have my quick release hooks. So when I did them, I just had coat hangers going through the holes, and I wasn't smart, and I left the ends pointy, and I was going to work one day and I just had those on there for now because I didn't have the hooks yet. And I was driving down the road and I noticed that the flag got stuck. The flag was like somewhere about right here, and I got stuck. And I come home after work and I look, and there is a good sized tear in the center here. So right here there was a tear. My mom was nice enough to sew it back up for me, and it's held up pretty well. It's gotten open just a little bit, but I still don't know what exactly caused this stuff to go on here, but I'm not concerned about it because it's still holding up. So, but overall, other than some little bit of paint fade and just some few minor tears, for 2 weeks going 60 miles an hour, over an hour a day, not bad. So Anley, you guys did a pretty good job. Anyways guys, that is it for this video. I thought I'd if you guys want to make your own custom flags, I'd go with Anley. They survived pretty well. I gotta admit, they've looked scary sometimes going down the road, but you know what, I come home and they're still in one piece, so I can't complain. But yep, that's it for this video guys. Please give this video a like, and while we're on it, we have just passed 200. We're at 201, I believe. So you guys did it. You know what's going to happen. I'm going to get underglow lights for this truck. Give me some time on that because it is almost Christmas, and I doubt I won't have them in for a couple weeks. So buy me time on that, but trust me, I will do it. And it'll be interesting because you guys saw what the insides look like. The outsides are going to look just the same. So anyways, thank you guys. Catch you on the next one.